The first 10 amendments to the U.S. Constitution is called the Bill of Rights. This bill ensures American citizens certain basic rights as humans. The amendments that I think are most important are the first and the fifth. The First Amendment includes freedom of speech and freedom of religion. The fifth relates to due process, which means the government must follow certain rules when accusing someone of a crime. Freedom of speech is the right to express our thoughts, whether those be questions, analyses, critiques, or artistic endeavors. We may do that with TV, YouTube, the newspaper, or even public speaks or peaceful protests. Freedom of speech affects us in ways that we might take for granted. For example, in other countries where there's no freedom of speech, you may not be able to say anything critical about the government, or taxes, or even religion. Freedom of religion means you can practice any religion legally, or no religion at all. It also means you can dress the way your religion requires and not be the victim of discrimination because of it. You also can't be discriminated against by other people who practice a different religion. For instance, you can't be prevented from going to a Jewish gas station because you're Muslim. The Fifth Amendment relates to due process. Due process is the overseeing of fair treatment of people according to set rules based on preserving people's rights. That's a hard one to remember. Here's an example. If I called the police and said, "The guy across the street stole all my stuff, arrest him." No, you can't do that. The police have to follow a set of rules that would protect him from my anger and just trying to get him in trouble.